Hello YouTube, I'm Mark and welcome back to MavTech. Now today I've brought possibly the most expensive thing I've ever brought from the Apple store. Of course my favourite store in the world. Now it's a bit for me and a bit for you guys because I'm trying to improve the content on the channel, I'm trying to keep you guys coming back and I'm trying to keep you guys interested in what I'm doing. The tech life of course. So what have I brought? You ready? Let's do this. So what have I brought? The title's probably giving it away, but anyway. The famous white bag from Apple. You get one of these, you know you're spending some serious money anyway. But today, I've gone a little bit more serious than normal. I've gone and purchased myself the 2018 13-inch MacBook Pro from Apple. Why? Like I said, it's for me, it's for you, it's for the channel. I'm trying to improve the content, I'm trying to get the video quality better, and I want to improve on my video editing skills, which at the moment stand at 0. So this is going to be a whole learning experience, and really I did need to go to the Pro version. I'm looking to update to Final Cut Pro 10 at some point, but obviously that's a bit far off in the future yet. I just want to see how I can edit videos on this with what I need and what I want the channel to look like and the kind of content I want to be putting out, so you guys keep coming back, stay interested and keep hitting the like button down below. Hint hint. Right, so we're going to have a quick walk around the box and we'll open it up. We'll get the new MacBook Pro out and we'll fire it up and see what it's all about. You ready? So here we have the 2018 13-inch MacBook Pro from Apple. And as you can pretty much imagine, this is going to be boxed fantastically. It's almost a crime to open them at all. But in this video, we're only going to see the product, my hands, and I do get to very shortly use my knife for unboxing because there are no pull tabs on these to open them. So a quick walk around the box is showing you your MacBook Pro on the bulk of the packaging. It tells you that you've got the MacBook Pro top and bottom, and on the side you get your Apple logo. And again, I don't know if you can pick it up in here, the colour of this does reflect what I've got. I can either go, well, I've gone for the space grey option, you can go for space grey or silver. I've gone for the space grey option. So let's not waste any more time in getting this open. Like I said, quite happy to get to use my knife. Never really get to use these because they all come with nice little open tabs, and in these they don't get to use it for long. There you go, one of the most satisfying parts is opening your Apple products. There we go. Like I said, fantastically packaged. These aren't raised like they're doing on almost everything else at the moment. The new phones are raised, the iPads are raised, and the watches, this isn't raised, it's just a flat image. So here you go, let me open this to reveal what we're all here to see, and you're greeted with your MacBook Pro. Easy lift up and show you your product. Let me just quickly lay this here, show you what's inside the box, get the boring bits out of the way done. You got your charging cable, small bit of information, stickers are in there of course, and you've got your charging brick which quite easily just slots in this way when you take all the packaging off. Not going to worry about that now. So we'll move the box out of the way. And here we are, what everyone's been waiting for. The MacBook Pro 13-inch 2018. So with the box out of the way and the first bit of packaging is done, you're left with your MacBook Pro in its nice little sleeve. This is a sound you'll all want to enjoy. You ready? Sorry for anyone wearing headphones. And there you go, we'll lay this down and you have your MacBook Pro 13-inch. You open the screen, remove this, absolutely crystal clear. What an amazing product once again from Apple. Now it's booting up on its own. Let me shoot off camera, get this thing started up, and I'll do you another quick walk around. And finally, we've got the 2018 MacBook Pro 13-inch set up, unboxed and ready to go. Now this is an amazing, serious piece of kit. At £1,800 starting, they're not cheap at all. Now this is the 256GB option with the i5 quad-core processors inside. So for what I need it for, it's going to be perfect. Because what I'm doing is video editing, video rendering and a few photo edits on there. I don't need anything more powerful than that. So this is my first MacBook Pro, so I'm not going to go too deep into the specs on it, but I will be doing review videos on how I'm getting on with this and how I'm finding it further down the line. Now all the 2018 models do come with the touch bar at the top, which again I've never used personally. Some people say they're gimmicky, some people say they enjoy using them. I'll let you know, I don't know how I find it because I've never used one before. I do like the fact that it's got a fingerprint scanner on it to unlock the iPad. But if you've got an Apple Watch, it can also do it that way, being part of the Apple ecosystem. If you're wearing your watch, it knows you're near the computer, it'll unlock automatically, which again is another nice touch. But I'm using this to improve the video content on my YouTube page. Again, I want to try and bring you nicer videos, more vibrant videos and stuff that you guys are interested in watching, and I need the power from a machine like this to be able to do that. This is why I've brought it. So give me a couple of weeks and I'll let you know how I'm getting on. I'm Mark, you've been watching MavTech. Don't forget to subscribe and please drop a like down below. Thank you very much. See you soon.